Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Now I'm analyzing this stock Bajaj Auto. If you watch this stock closely, you will find out that this stock is making this sort of a triangle kind of a pattern. Okay, and inside this triangle there is another triangle like this which is actually forming and taking place. Okay, the stock has currently tried to give a breakdown below this level, but it has also given a closing below this level, but this has not given a closing below 4231 rupees. Okay, so when we will short this stock, as soon as the stock goes below 4230 rupees, then we will short this stock for the targets of this level around 4200 10 to 4200 rupees. Why? Because the stock might come here, start to trade around this level, and then if it gives a breakdown, you will see this stock coming towards 4100 and 4185 to 90 rupees towards the downside. Okay, so this stock can be a very good stock for shorting tomorrow. If Nifty and auto sector goes bearish, then we can short this stock. But remember, if the stock goes above this level of 4295, or you can say 4300 round number, if the stock gives a breakout towards the upside, then it will further move towards this level, right? It will further give you a target of this level towards the upside. Okay, so this level towards the upside from this level, from this region might give you a target of around 4450 rupees to 4400 rupees target, right? So above this you can go long, below this you can go short for these targets. Okay, but I don't think so that the stock will come towards 4000 rupees in coming days, but I see uh, upside momentum like this. If it will come like this and it will go towards the upside like this is what I can see in the market. If Nifty goes bearish, then anything can happen in Bajaj Auto as well, but I think that Bajaj Auto will outperform Nifty and it will move towards the upside. So this is my short analysis for bank Bajaj Auto. Thank you for watching.